It's been a long time since I've looked at anything from this company. Hey vapors, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Aspire Speeder 200 watt. Alright guys, yes, today we are looking at the Aspire Speeder. It does come in a couple different colors I want to show you here. We have silver, champagne, or black, and you can get this kit for around $77. I will leave a link below where you can get it with free shipping, but let's dive down close, take a look at it, see what the kit comes with. Alright, here is the Aspire Speeder kit. This is how it comes in this big old box. So let's take the top off. We have a warning card about priming the coil, a battery warning card, the Speeder 200 watt user's manual, and the warranty card. And here is the Aspire Speeder mod. A quick look at that. We have Aspire Athos sub-ohm tank. I think that's how it's pronounced. Athos. Interesting looking. Bare glass tube, a bunch of extra O-rings, an extra coil. Damn, look at that coil. We have a micro USB to USB charge cord and an extra drip tip. So the extra coil is an A3.3 ohm tri-coil head. Triple coil. And the Athos is pre-installed with the A5.16 ohm penta-coil head. So let's take a look at that real quick. And this is also how you change the coil. So I unscrewed the base to check out this penta-coil head, and it's interesting, the only thing holding this glass tube in place is when the coil is screwed in to here. So interesting, but it does have this protection like sheath. But here's the penta-coil head, and you unscrew the coil head from the base to change out the coil. There's adjustable airflow slots at the bottom on a stopper. So the Athos tank is 25 millimeters in diameter, stainless steel protective glass sleeve. It is top threaded, top fill, single port, and it is a 4 mil tank capacity. So you fill in this little slot. The coil that it's installed in is good for 100 to 120 watts. And those coils are made with organic cotton as well. Here is the Aspire Speeder. It is 88 millimeters tall by 46 millimeters by 31 millimeters. Here on the bottom there are venting holes and a little latch for locking the battery door. It takes two 18650 batteries that are sold separately, and they're ran in series. You can see the minus and the plus. So let me get two batteries to put in here. The screen turns on when I set the batteries in. There is a plastic covering on the screen though, so we're gonna take that off. Oh, so shiny. Here is a micro USB port. The regulatory buttons are here. The fire button is this Aspire. Is the fire button. When you try to fire without an atomizer, it does read no atomizer. The screen shows both battery lives down here, the working amps, the ohms of the coil that you have attached, the working voltage, the power level, and the power mode, which is 13 watts. Currently, that's what it's at. It also says watts down here and shows a picture of unlock, which I'm guessing is like the key or power lock. So like I said before, the Aspire is the fire button. On the back it does say Speeder. And on the top we have a stainless steel 510 threading with a spring-loaded gold-plated contact. So this does go from 1 to 200 watts, and if you hold it down it'll go fast, and you can see it adjusting by 1 watt increments. In wattage mode, the lowest recommended ohms you should have on here is 0.1 to 3.5 ohms. To lock the device, you just press the down button and the fire button at the same time, and you'll see this little lock icon switch. Now it's locked, and you cannot adjust the power level. Press and hold the minus and fire button again to unlock it, and you can see that it's unlocked. To change from watts to any of the other output modes, you just press the up button and the fire button at the same time, and then watts becomes highlighted, so I know that's hard to see. If you press up, it goes to voltage, then bypass mode. We have the curve mode. We have temperature control for nickel. Up one more goes into TCRM mode, and back to watts. So I'm going to click temperature mode, and then it asks NITISS and back to NI, and then you click the fire button. Of course it will read no atomizer since there's not an atomizer on it, but then we are in temperature mode, and in temperature mode you can adjust from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 600 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius to 315 degrees Celsius, and it just round robins through Fahrenheit and Celsius for the different users. I'm going to fill up my Athos tank with Hoot Nut. I've been obsessing over this. It's a banana nut bread from Bonsai Vapors fall line. It's so good, and you can use my code TIA20 for 20% off that flavor or any other flavor on Bonsai Vapors website. You're welcome. Alright, got my Athos filled up. Alright, here it is attached, and we are in wattage mode, and I just realized it has smart recognition. Because I was like, I didn't flip my screen. It flips itself no matter which way you hold the mod. That's so crazy. It's reading my coil at 1.5 ohms. Do you want to vape? Do you want to vape? Alright guys, that was the Aspire Speeder. Like I said earlier, it's been a long time since I've checked out anything from Aspire, and I don't even know how new this is, but it is a cool new look if you like that well-protected glass tank. It's very handheld, even for someone with small hands like me, and this being a double 18650 battery device, it's pretty lightweight as well. The flavor is coming through nicely. Great vapor production as well. Now this coil I think was rated for like 100 watts to 120, and I can't really vape that high enjoyably. I actually have mine set at 90, and that's how it's producing at 90. Clouds, bitch. Oh, blurry. It does have a few protection features. Hello camera, focus on me. It has an automatic cutoff, short circuit protection, overheat protection, and overcharge protection, so you can charge it through the port here, but I like to take my 18650s out and charge them on an external charger. It has over discharge protection and reverse polarity protection. So that's the Aspire Speeder. If you've tried this, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of it. Again, I will leave a link below to where you can check it out for yourself if you're interested, but that's it for the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Check the description box below for important links like where to get my favorite things like e-liquids, mods, etc. You can follow me on almost any social media site like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or Snapchat. I also have a Patreon account where I'm giving away vape-related rewards monthly, so if that's something you're interested in, you can check the link below as well. And one more thing before you go, if vaping is something you're passionate about, please join CASA.org and learn how you can fight for your right to vape. So as always, I'm Tia, and thank you so much for watching.